Good morning, friends. Today we will find out Jordan canonical form for those matrix which characteristic and minimal polynomial is given. Okay. For finding Jordan canonical form, let us take an example in which the order of the matrix is 4 into 4 and the characteristic and minimal polynomial is given. For such case, let we have the characteristic polynomial and minimal polynomial is given, then we can find Jordan canonical form with the help of minimal polynomial. In this matrix, the order of the matrix is 4 into 4. Its mean the order of the characteristic and the degree of the characteristic polynomial is 4. And suppose that the eigenvalue of the matrix is 1 and 2 and algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 1 is 2 and 2 is 2, then and the minimal polynomial of this matrix is lambda minus 1 and lambda minus 2 to the power 2, and we know that the geometric multiplicity of lambda equal to 1 is 1 and geometric multiplicity of lambda equal to 2 is 2 in the minimal polynomial. This so that lambda minus 1 to the power 1, the geometric multiplicity, show that the largest block with respect to lambda equal to 1 is of order 1 in Jordan canonical form, and the largest block with respect to 2 lambda equal to 2 is of order 2 in Jordan canonical form. So the Jordan canonical form is, we know that the largest block of order 2 is 2, then this is the largest block of order 2. Okay, and similarly the largest block of with respect to lambda equal to 1 is order 1, then the largest block of order 1 is this. This is the Jordan canonical form for this matrix which characteristic polynomial is this and minimal polynomial is this. Okay, let us take a second example. Let we have a matrix of order 8 into 8 and the characteristic polynomial of this matrix is lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2 to the power 3, lambda minus 3 to the power 3 and lambda minus 4. By the degree of the characteristic polynomial we can find out the by the degree of characteristic polynomial, the degree of the characteristic polynomial show that the order of the matrix is 8 into 8, because the algebraic multiplicity of 2 is 3, algebraic multiplicity lambda equal to 3 is 3, algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 4 is 1, and algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 1 is 1. Then total degree is 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 plus 1. This is 8. Okay, this is the characteristic polynomial of a matrix of order 8 into 8. Let the minimal polynomial of this matrix is lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, lambda minus 3 to the power 2 and lambda minus 4. Okay. In this case, lambda minus 1 to the power 1 show that in Jordan canonical form, for lambda equal to 1, there is only one block of order 1 present. Similarly, for lambda equal to 2, the largest block with respect to lambda equal to 2 is of order 1. Okay, and we have three eigenvalue. We have the multiplicity of lambda equal to 2 is 3, but the largest block is of order 1. Similarly, the largest block for lambda equal to 3 is of order 2, and the multiplicity of lambda equal to 3 is 3. Similarly, the largest block of order 4 is 1. The largest block for eigenvalue lambda equal to 4 is of order 1. In this case, the matrix is, we have the largest block of order for lambda equal to 1 is of order 1, then this is the first one order block in Jordan canonical form for eigenvalue 1. Similarly, the largest block for lambda equal to 2 is of order 1, and we have 3 eigenvalue. The multiplicity of lambda equal to 2 is 3. Then this we have the 3 single order block for lambda equal to 2. This is 2 2 2. The largest block for lambda equal to 3 is of order 2. Then we have one block of order 2 for lambda equal to 3 and other is a single block order for lambda equal to 3. Similarly, for lambda equal to 4 we have one block of order 1. This is the one block of order 1. This is the Jordan canonical form for this matrix, which characteristic polynomial is this and minimal polynomial is this. Okay. This is the first case for finding Jordan canonical form, and we will learn second case in our next lecture. Thank you.